is the first video ride of this. I've been riding it around a bit, getting a bit used to it. Got the chest mount GoPro, you know it. But this shit is fast as fuck, bro. And it sounds absolutely nuts. And it handles beautifully, dude. So let's turn right or left here. Holy fucking shit, and you can still go no hands on it so well, bro. These hydro brakes are absolutely fucking amazing, bro. Like, there's really nothing more you could want. Oh, risky business. Beautiful moment right there. Oh, nothing? Oh, 45! Let's go! Yeah, this fucking shit is beautiful. And this brand new road,